This is the Maytag front loader dryer. The thermal fuse was out. Well, I know that's thermal fuse now, but yeah, there's one screw here and one screw here. Once you access that, it's just right there. Not this one, but this one. This is how you bypass the thermal fuse for the dryer. Unplug this too and tape it, and that one. You don't have to take everything off like they show in YouTube. Access it with 1/4. It should be hand tight, and you're good to go. Now the parts is here. I'm putting it back on. Thanks for watching.